Thanks for tuning in to PR's Realm. Today, I'm going to review the Remington Lithium Face and Body Electric Razor. It comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, and it could pretty much cut any hair on your entire body from head to toe. When I open it, I'm going to explain how. As you see, everything's out the package and displayed. Let's start off with the basics. It comes with a manual, 60-day money-back guarantee, comes with its own stand where you could place everything that you got here. It comes with 4 different attachments for various hair on various parts of the body. If you include this piece, that would make 5. It has ear and nose trimmer. It has a close shave razor. It has one for your head. And this is also used for body hair as well as trimming your top hair. If you stay with the standard use, it has basic and then 3 different attachments. So it pretty much covers every base. What I'm going to do from here is let you see it and let you see how easy it is to control, to open, and to change pieces. To change the piece, you simply take it, twist it to the right, lift it, take a new piece, put it in place, turn it to the left. Each piece is unique in its own, but goes in just as simply. I tested it out. It works very well. I used it on various parts of the body, and everywhere I used it, it cut with ease. I didn't have any issues, and as you'll see, it's fairly quiet, not too bad. Some of them could be very loud. This one is very smoothly cutting and smoothly sounding, so you shouldn't have any issues there. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, watch my other videos, share the video, share the channel, turn on notifications. Thanks for watching PR's Realm. www.youtube.com/PRSREALM.